Welcome to Pack Tactics. I'm Kobold, I'm playing a Beastmaster Thief Rogue multiclass. And here are my friends from Tabletop Builds, link in the description for their sites. The difficulty we're playing on is Tactician. Daniel's playing a Storm Sorcerer Land Druid, Evelyn is a Light Cleric Conjuration Wizard, and Justin is a Light Cleric Fiend Warlock. Anyways, let the fun begin! Alright, Narc, get your butt over here.
No. Shit, this isn't even concentration. Amazing.
Yeah. It lasts all day.
It's really stupid.
Yeah, it's absurd.
Can you
Fire
try to try it?
keep waiting on and on and on.
Right.
I might not even need to Sleet Storm this.
What do you want?
Do you want a long strider, my Dryad?
Oh.
Should I darkness or should you darkness, Evelyn?
I guess either of us can Sleet Storm.
True.
Yeah, I guess it doesn't matter.
Do we need Sleet Storm?
I don't know that we do.
I doubt it. I think darkness is fine.
Yeah.
So should I or should you?
Instead.
I think my just having a turn of clicking Ray of Frost is better than
I'll darkness him.
yeah.
You know that my Spike Earth is going to overwrite all of this, right?
Yeah, I know, but I'm just putting it down just in case. Just in case you put it in a funky spot, and it's like,
Let's just hope he survives what's on the other side.
Okay, so... yeah.
Just make sure there's like some area for us to walk out easily.
Yeah. I'll like make this corner not darkness.
No. Let's put it here.
Okay.
I'll get into that.
You're done now?
Well, now I am. Oh.
Oh,
Damn.
wow.
Goodbye,
Spider.
Conjured Spider. You'll be missed.
Alright, so... perform was free, right?
Yeah.
Meme. Alright, I'm gonna nuke this Wrath. That's actually... who's in the turn order?
Wrath.
So you and I.
It's you and me.
We need to kill this Wraith.
Nothing will stand in my way.
You should stop missing.
Fine!
No,
I mean,
not like
fine! There we go.
Finally, you listen to him.
Best be
Yeah.
on my way.
Make sure, yeah. I was gonna say like, if you're too close to the edge of a darkness, people can still melee you just fine.
that. They just ran into the Hadar. Okay.
And there's still webs on the ground.
Nice.
They ran out into Hadar like Hadar.
Does Spike Earth combine with Hadar?
Yeah. Hadar isn't a surface. Like,
Yeah, it goes
it
over
goes
the webs.
over top of surfaces.
It's like
Neat.
darkness. It's just kind of a
Oh,
smoke.
not that far. No!
That's a constant issue in this game.
Yeah, I don't
I've
look at my
literally never
movement
had that
enough.
issue.
I have it
Like I
constantly,
zoom
so
into
I-
the spot I want to place something, and then I press, and then like, oh right, it's probably gonna move me.
Yay. Oh,
Oh, they're all running around it.
No, they're still going in it.
Ah, around the Spike Earth, but they're running into that.
Blink dogs.
That's a lot of extra people. I'm glad I put it there, I guess.
Huggy.
That's a lot of creatures.
No, it's not. It's a normal... this is what we normally see from our DM, dude.
Oh, they would be giants, but sure.
Oh yeah, they would be giants.
Okay, let's just not be pushed.
Okay. You want to go next, Justin? Go to the open spot, or should I?
You go to the open spots. I can see in this.
Oh, fair enough.
I love it when people go into the darkness, they go,
It's like old people, I don't know, it sounds very weird.
Oh, come on.
Should go deeper into the darkness.
dang.
Alright, Brian, finish him off.
Blood follows me everywhere.
What?
What was that?
What?
What did he
No
do?
idea.
Huh? What did I do? I threw something?
It said ranged attack?
I think your thing just bugged and just played the throw animation instead of the range attack animation.
Ah!
Crossbow. You cut the middle, man. Just throw the bolt at him.
Yeah, I'm just throwing my arrows. I'm like the giant barbarian now.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
All right, who do I shoot now? Who is scary?
Died at nothing.
Yeah, they all have 1 HP. Also, if any of the birds on the left were just gonna die, the ones on the right, if they miss any attacks, they die.
Precisely.
I love how they just explode in Hadar. Oh,
Hater.
I didn't see the shadow. Oh, he's invisible.
Yeah, that'd be why.
Not my Dryad.
Oh no,
Not my
spike
spike
growth.
growth.
OMG.
Oh
only-
no, my infinite spike growth use.
Why do they give so many infinite spells?
Because the game is hard.
Oh no, not again.
So difficult.
Mute's prone.
Oh, thank
Of
God.
course.
Oh, the game
Oh,
bugged.
so-
Okay, well that's sad.
Why would you teleport that? Never mind.
Lol.
Can't believe spells are real.
Yeah.
He whipped me. What the heck?
Off that one poor bird.
Many such cases, Brian.
Oh no,
Oh no.
the ravens are through.
They keep hitting despite the stage fright. Even though it can outright kill them.
Why can't I shoot from here?
Because there's a lot of darkness blocking like right here.
Hmm.
There you go, you're not finding me, Mark.
Anyone got an AoE or should I just
No. Snap.
I had no AoE.
I'm gonna shoot that. And I'm gonna kill the shadow.
Can no one deal with the ravens?
I bonked them, but
Okay.
y'all shot everything else, so...
Much less of a chance to do the spider.
There we go. And go back into darkness. Shillelagh.
Yes.
That's a pretty strengthened shillelagh.
True.
Jesus, the log.
Amazing.
Spiker, 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 spiker. I'm gonna try and beat up the raven.
No, I can with the spider.
Okay.
There we go.
My dry doesn't really have many ranged options, but it's okay.
Sometimes the only way out is through.
I can't see the turn remainder. Do we just need to kill everything?
It's 2 more turns.
Yeah. If we survive 2 more turns, and the portal is still open, then we win. Like they all just disappear. So.
Narc, should I shoot? Yeah.
My turn's done.
Okay.
I love when they just decide, I don't want to be pushed ever. Repelling blast doesn't exist.
I'm gonna shoot the guy in front there. So are you. That's all my actions. Back into darkness. Oh no! I slipped!
That's
Bruh.
kind of funny.
Roar.
Do the roar.
That's a lot. That's a lot of enemies.
Is that a Shrek reference?
Oh, the spike growth.
No, don't hit me.
I wish spike growth was this like
I should be able to kill both
interactive
of
in
these
like the
guys
tabletop
here.
game, you know, where you like hear the squelching whenever they walk through.
At least I can kill the 2 lower health ones. Which there's a lot of them now.
Alright, I'm gonna attack with my spider. There we go.
I wonder if this is worth
Nice.
the cost.
Oh, I have shocking grasp. Oh,
Oh, Jesus. That was so powerful, I lagged my computer.
Got him.
I don't even know what you did. Did you just Eldritch Blast
Eldritch
them?
blasted 2 of them, which got them both down to where they got killed by Call the Weak, which did a psychic explosion.
Oh.
Like 1d4. I can do some AoE if I kind of... It does 1d4, but it's something for those weak bitches. But I believe can also proc Call the Weak.
There we go. Back into
Your
darkness.
Do I have the correct boots? Yes. Do I would get beat up? And this person is still alive. Oh,
Oh,
my shot got blocked by the shadow. Interesting.
I was standing there too. I didn't. Weird.
Hmm.
I wish I knew that. I would kill the shadow instead. I mean, I did know, but I just don't want to search for the guy.
Ouchies. And I've got a lot of movement.
Remember, everyone, just because they're born in darkness, raised in it, doesn't mean darkness isn't your friend.
That looked awesome.
It's done.
Yeah, it's kind of cool.
I have him.
We did it.
I like all the circles on the ground. Do you see those too?
Yeah.
Please,
Yeah, and the darkness.
please remove the
Oh, it's
darkness.
dark.
Dreadfully wrong.
We can't.
No. It can't be.
Halsin's,
So intimidating.
Halsin's probably like.
Oh, it's gone.
Halsin's probably like. I'm still in the shadow realm. Shit. I gotta go back.
Wait. Brog, stop. This is still Shadowfell.
Entire server meme is that there's 3 Evelyns in the server.
Nice.
That's pretty good. I like that.
I like. I like.
Almost everyone in the server is now named like something villain or something like that.
I like the Outback video.
It's
I am in the lobby again.
I'm gonna tell her.
Come on.
Should I
down
summon
to
another dryad?
Shadow's.
What are we doing next?
We are going in the middle with the statue so you can get your stupid buffs.
We are right there.
Yes. Open.
Evelyn says hi, Brian.
Oh. Everyone subscribe to Evelyn. It's on the screen right now. Subscribe right now.
It's a different Evelyn. There's 3 of them.
I love when
Morning.
Evelyn said it's out housing time and out housed all over the place.
Morgana Evelyn on YouTube is very funny. She's another Evelyn, and she's very funny. You should like, comment, subscribe.
Join the coven of Evelyns.
You should like, subscribe, and change your name to Evelyn.
Please.
Yeah.
Okay, Evelyn.
Evelyn, hurry up!
I'm here.
Yeah, go press.
Go get your boon.
Oh, I did not understand that.
You don't understand anything.
We may not have said
I've
it.
I've never done this, so I didn't know that.
You get a +5 bonus to intelligence.
Just
temporarily.
What? Why? That's so stupid.
I thought it was +2, but I misremembered, it seems.
+5.
Yeah.
Bro,
Why?
Saloon won't be happy about this.
No, no.
Or are
she
you follower of
won't.
Saloon?
Yeah.
I don't think you should be getting inspiration for that.
Oh, you know. it's
There's
fine.
a Scroll of Blight,
Listen,
Vivify.
it's character development. We're corrupting you. Time to go north to Shard Place. Gauntlet.
Oh, we've gotten her blessing, right? So should be fine.
End of video. We hope to earn your subscription. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.